Hey guys, welcome to my channel J Healthy Lifestyles. Today we are going to talk about melasma. Melasma can cause due to the excessive exposure to the sun and also taking a lot of birth control pills. Using non-suited cosmetics to your face can also cause the melasma. So today I'm going to share a home remedy which majorly helps in reducing the pigmentation, which is majorly helps in. If you guys can follow this home remedy at early stage of melasma, you will completely get rid of it. But after following, like if you guys are following after having a severe melasma, then it's going to take a few months to get rid of it. Do not give up on this process because after the first use only you can able to see the results. And if you follow this for a week, then you will definitely find a good results. Guys, we are using 1 tablespoon of sugar powder here, which helps in moisturizing the skin, and it is majorly having a glycolic acid in it. And 1 tablespoon of rice flour, which helps in removing the suntan. And 1 tablespoon of besan, which is gram flour, which is also helps in removing the suntan. And half a tablespoon of sandalwood powder, which helps in reducing the melasma from the skin. And 1 tablespoon of multani matti and a half tablespoon of turmeric powder, which is also helps in removing the suntan. And we are taking 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, which is freshly squeezed. You can also use the aloe vera gel which you get from the market, and this is a homemade rose water. If you guys want to see how to make rose water in home, then you can comment below, I can show it. And we need a few drops of lemon. Let's mix all these powders, and then this can be stored in a airtight container. It will not get spoiled. But do not add aloe vera gel, lemon and rose water. So I have leftover portion which I already mixed and kept. Just to show you guys, I'm going to add all the powders in it and mix it one more time. So you can like make for 1 month and you can keep it. Guys, do not forget to apply this during the night times, because after applying this face mask, you should not get into the sun. Guys, I'm repeating again and again, do not give up on this home remedy. You will definitely see the results, because this is the remedy my mom is following, and I have saw the result. And not only for my mom, it is also helps me in order to improve my skin tone. To make this face mask, we need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and let's take 1 tablespoon of this powder. And few drops of lemon. And we are using rose water here in order to make a smooth paste. And this is majorly works for the like oily skin. If you guys have dry skin, then you can add little bit of honey in it. So honey also majorly works in moisturizing the skin. I know that the video is little longer, but do not give up on this video. Watch till the end, because I have I told a lot of helpful tips, and also I told a lot of information. If you guys also want to see the medications which is suggested by mom's dermatologist, you can let me know. I can do another video on that. Welcome to my channel J Healthy Lifestyle. So I hope you guys saw the ingredients which we are using to reduce the melasma. And this homemade remedy is majorly told by my mom, because she was suffering with melasma from last, I think, 6 to 7 years. From last 5 years. My mom was very shy. That's the reason she is not allowing me to apply this on her face directly. So that is the reason I'm doing this. But what I do was, I try to put before and after pictures of her, so that you can find out the results. I'm not saying this is totally reduce the melasma, but it's try to like improve the shades, and it try to remove the darkness and improve the skin tone. So I hope a lot of people says that if once you get the melasma, it will stay for minimum 7 to 10 years. So I'm not sure, but my mom having around like from 4 years, and my father also having from like 9 years. I think recently he got rid of that. Okay, without wasting any time, I'll show you the application. So make sure that you are not having any makeup, or your face is well washed. It should not have any dirt. So before this, you can just wash your face, and try to this remedy during the night times, because after doing this you should not get into the sun. And there are few more precautions you need to be taken when you are suffering with melasma. So I'll try to say, because those are recommended by my mom's dermatologist and my mom. So let me show you the application. So this is works for the oily skin. If you guys having dry skin, you can add a little bit of a honey in this. So you can use your hand or brush, anything. I'm more comfortable in using hand. This face pack is also helps in skin brightening. So those are looking for skin brightening, they can also use this. So you guys can see I just washed my face, and it's looking so soft and smooth. And you can see the result after first application only. So guys, do not ignore this. Try to follow this every day, then you definitely see the results. We need to go with moisturization, because we have applied a lot of things on our face. Now our face is become extremely sensitive, and now we have to take care of it. So you can go and apply any moisturizer you have. If you don't have anything, then you can spray a little bit of rose water, or else you can apply a little bit of aloe vera gel. So I'm using this serum. It's a C serum, vitamin C serum. This serum majorly helps in repairing the skin, and it also moisturizes, and it majorly improves the skin tone. I'm using this serum from last 20 days, and I can see a better results, because I used to have some dark spots on my skin here, and I completely got rid of it. So even if you are not using any night care, but you just wash your face and apply 2 drops of this, and that is more than enough. This also works for the removing the dark circles. Just tap it a little bit, so that it will be having a good blood circulation. Guys, there are few things which my mom's dermatologist told my mom to take care of. Whenever you are going to sun, make sure that you are applying the sunscreen lotion. like 15 to 20 minutes before you go outside. And though if you guys don't go outside, but still after, like every day after taking the shower, just apply a little bit of sunscreen lotion. That is really really important. And make sure that you are not expose your skin directly to the sun. Use some kind of scarf or kind of umbrella, because after doing a lot of things, but still if you go into the sun, it will not going to reduce, because I am seeing my mom, it definitely will not get reduced. um, and later, do not ignore the medication which is suggested by the dermatologist, because melasma is a thing which stay for years. It will not get rid of in one or two applications. You need to really fight for it. So I will see my mom, like she'll get medications for like 3000, 4000, but after applying few days, she will be like, okay, chhod do. But don't do that, guys. So if you guys want to know what are the medicines my mom is using, medicines ka matlab, it's not something you take, you intake it. These are something, the sunscreen lotions on, and the soap, and the moisturizer which are suggested by the dermatologist. You can comment below, then I'll definitely try to make another video on that, because that might be helpful a lot of people. And today the face pack which we showed, that is also works for skin brightening. So people who doesn't have melasma, still they can use this. You please include this in your daily skincare routine, so that will give you a, like very smooth and even skin tone. And there will be a lot of glow on your face, because we completely used homemade ingredients. We did not purchase anything. Even the rose water and aloe vera gel also are used homemade. So if you guys want to see how to make rose water at home, you can also comment that. I will try to show it. So that's it for today's, guys. Any kind of problems related skin, hair, you can always comment me, or you can always message me on my Instagram or a Facebook. I'm going to leave the links in the description box, so you can follow me, and you can always message me. I'll try to give the reply. So that's it for today's, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because your subscription is majorly encourages me to do a lot more videos. And don't forget to like, because it will reach to the many people when you like it. And thank you for being patient and listening to me. Thank you so much.
Friends, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload new video, you will receive the notification.